Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I filmed the look that you see here. I know it's another cut crease, but I promise I do want to do more creative and funky and different and unique looks on my channel. The last one I tried to film just like a few days ago. It didn't work out. My camera was not focused on me the entire time and the footage was just not usable. But if you want to know what I did, the look that I created, it is on my Instagram, so I'll leave it somewhere here on the screen, also the link down below. But yeah, if you want to see what I did, then go there and check it out, show it some love. And if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching and let's get right into it. Okay, so this is what I came up with. I don't know, I might add some glitter because I feel like I've been doing a lot of matte looks lately. But I'm not sure yet. But we're gonna go ahead and just get started with the other eye. I've already done my eyebrow, but I have not carved out my eyebrow or primed my eyelid. Look at what a different shape my eyes look. So I'm just gonna carve out my eyebrow really quickly. I don't worry about this too much. I don't try to make it too neat. Just, you know. I don't know why I do it actually. And this is just with my ColourPop concealer. This is the shade Fair 08. And then to prime my eyelid, I'm going to take same ColourPop concealer, no filter concealer, in the shade Fair 00. And then tap that out with this flat brush. I think this brush is from Wet n Wild. It is stained green, so ignore that. Fun story. This look was not supposed to be a YouTube video. I originally was going to turn this look into my very first Instagram pictorial. You know, I was going to give one of those things a try because I see them all the time on Instagram. So that's what I was going to do with this look originally. And I had filmed a totally different video for YouTube, but the footage was not usable only because my camera was not focused on me majority of the video. I was blurry the whole time. Anyways, that video ended up getting deleted, and instead that look became my Instagram look. So it is my last post on Instagram. In case you want to go check it out, I will have it up on the screen somewhere, or I'll have the link to my Instagram down below if in case you're wondering what I'm talking about. But anyways, the look did involve me blocking out my eyebrows totally, like with glue and everything. And as soon as I did that, the camera would just like could not find my face. I don't know what it was. I don't know, but ended up not being usable, so trashed it. And I decided, let me go ahead and just film this look instead. And sitting down, I had no idea what I was doing with this look. I knew the color scheme that I wanted, but I wasn't too sure. And honestly, the wing wasn't supposed to happen either. I was just, while doing this eye, I was listening to my old school, like, punk music, emo music, and I just felt so nostalgic. I just remember, like, back in middle school, when I first started in makeup, all I did was a wing eyeliner, and ended up with a wing eyeliner. So, my bad. Anyways, so we're going to be using 3 different palettes today. The first one I'm going to take is the Spoiled Lips palette. This is in collaboration with Glamour Ghoul Box. I bought this because I love the packaging. And I'm going to take, ooh, it's so dirty. I'm going to take the red shade up here. So on a small little blending brush, this is the Morphe M506. I'm just going to tap that in the outer crease area. Just building up the color first. And I'm not going to take it all the way into the inner portion of the eye because I'm going to put some orange shadow there instead. And then now with that same brush, I'm just going to blend out the edges. So for a second, I thought about coming up with a whole new idea. Only because I didn't want to do another like basic beach makeup video again. Side note, I'm also going to be picking up and adding as I go along. But anyways, I didn't want to do another basic makeup look again. But today's actually my brother's birthday. And if we go out to eat, if I'm doing something wild or crazy, then I'm going to have to take it off. And I just didn't want to have to deal with that. So I decided just to do another basic beach video. Just to deepen up the red just a little bit more, I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics palette, Take Me Back to Brazil, and take this red here. Just on that same brush and go over that. So I'm going to take this brush. It is clean. It has no product on it. And I think this is... it's a bit faded on here, but I think it says C412 Deluxe Pointed Crease. I'm not sure where this is from, to be honest. But it doesn't have any additional product on it. I'm just going to use that to blend. If you've seen my previous videos and you know I do take my eyeshadow all the way up to my eyebrow. I tried not doing that, but it happened anyway. So now to work on the inner crease, I'm going to take this orange shadow by Juvia's Place from the Zulu palette. This is the best orange shadow in the history of orange shadows. So I'm going to take that, and this is on a Morphe brush, but this one doesn't have a number on it. It's one of the brushes that came in one of their sets that they have, and for some reason they don't have numbers or names on them. So I'm just going to tap that in here. And I am overlapping the orange and red shadow. And just on top of that, I'm going to take this shadow from the BH palette. And then again, work that in. And then with that same shadow, or not shadow, the same brush that we used to blend out the red, I'm going to go in between the two shades and kind of blend them together. Go along the edge of the orange. I feel like the red needs to be deepened a little bit, so I'm going to go back in with the Spoiled Lips palette. And just go over that. Okay, so I went ahead and cut the crease first using my makeup remover, and then I went in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00. And now for the main attraction. Just kidding, no it's not. I'm going to take this really small flat brush. I'm going to first start off with this yellow shade from the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to place that next to the red and work that toward the middle, but not going all the way. So I really wanted a brighter and lighter yellow right in the corner. So I'm going to use, again, the BH palette and take this yellow here. Just on that same brush. And merge those together. So now to work on the edge where the yellow and red meet, I'm going to take the tiniest bit of red shadow and go over that edge. And just buff it back and forth. Oh my God, my dog thinks he's a guard dog. So now I'm going to say a really quick prayer in hopes that this winged eyeliner comes out as good as this one did, or at least somewhat the same. In case you're wondering, I'm going to use the NYX matte eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner so far. So I'm going to try to get a good angle of this, but speed it up because I feel like it's going to be hard to talk through this part. So I went ahead and I applied mascara, but before putting my lashes on, I decided that I want to add glitter, but just like where the line is. So I'm going to do that. And for adhesive, I'm using the NYX glitter primer. It's never failed me before. It looks like I'm blurring the monitor, but I'm not really sure, so sorry if I am. I'm just going to paint this on really quickly. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes. I'm going to use bold face lashes in the style Go Big or Go Home. The box is upside down, but that's what the lashes look like. I'm going to go ahead and pop these on. I'll probably do my face off camera and then come back so we can do the lower lash line and finish off this look. Ooh, these lashes are so clockable right now. They're just like not meshed together with my eyelash shadow. Okay, so right now we're just going to finish the eyes. I'm going to take the red shadow and run that under my lash line. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to do for the lower lash line. I'm just going to apply some mascara now. Applying mascara to the bottom lash line is something that I often forget to do, oddly enough. And I think it's just because mascara in general is just the most boring part of makeup to me. Because the majority of the time, if I wear makeup, I wear falsies. So it's not like the way the mascara performs really matters to me. Actually, I'm lying. The only thing that matters for mascara with me is if it flakes. So far, this one from CoverGirl, the Lash Blast Volume Mascara, doesn't flake because toward the end of the day, sometimes I get like little specks of mascara. And this one doesn't do that to me, so yeah, that's like the only thing that matters to me with mascara. But now we're gonna move on to lips, and I kind of want to do a red lip, but oh, you know what I forgot? A highlight. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm gonna take this shade right here, Eclipse, and I'm gonna put that on my nose. I was gonna put that in the inner corner, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna put something else in the inner corner, something that has more of a yellow feel to it. But I'm gonna finish highlighting my face first. This has such a pretty, like, peachy glow to it. So pretty. So for the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna take this shade here, this yellow shimmer shade. This is from the Morphe 35B palette that they unfortunately discontinued. Also, this shade had broken, but fixed it. Okay, I really want to use my Anastasia American Doll lipstick, but I don't know where that one's at. So I'm going to use this one. This is from Stila, and it's called Vessel, and it's this red one here. This one is also good, too. It's a really pretty red. Ooh. Like I said, I think I'm finally done with this look. I really like the way it came out. I was going to do something different with it, but I'm really happy that I chose to do this instead. Also, the glitter, very happy with that as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't, and if you already are, thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!